welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have received the top box which I have ordered from Bandidos Pitstop. So now let's start doing the unboxing. So I just received something from Bandidos and this is the bill, I guess, suppose. Yeah, it is a bill. And this is some of their sticker or something. And yeah, look at the package, it's so neat the way they bought it. It's been shipped from Kerala. So the way they packed it, it's quite good, and I have received it through Amazon dealership, like delivery partner, I guess. Yeah, so this is the top box. I'll be just removing it. So this is how the top box is as of now. So let's check what is inside this. So there is a button over here which is under over here, so you just have to press it up and you just have to pull this and pull this back so that you can open it inside. So once we open the top box, there is this material which is smooth, and it protects the body of it properly so that there is no damage of any object inside. And there are two pockets in which you can put your documents or stuff or something, and this is what is inside the box. So what we have is this elastic band, and there is some paper over here which is, yeah, this is for fixing the base plate to the bike, I think. Yeah, this is like a user manual. Okay, then we also have, what is this? Some bolts and nuts, screws and all for fixing the plate to the bike. And then we have two stickers, yeah, the radium stickers, and we also have keys. Yeah, and this is it. It is a 45-liter box, and these keys are, we got a pair of keys. So this is my laptop, so I can easily fit my laptop in the top box as well. Yeah, so these are the keys which we got in the box. So let's see how it works. So the first thing, to lock your top box, you have to put it up, fix it properly in, and press this and turn it towards your right side, and you're done. It is locked and it won't open anymore. Yeah, this is good. So you can use this key even in this bottom one as well, so that no one can take the top box and leave from the bike. And yeah, now it is locked, you can't open it. Once you twist it towards your left, then you can open it like this. So now we are in the bottom part. To open this lock, you just have to press this, take this up, and you just have to pull this, it will come out. So this is the plate which we are gonna install it in the bike. Like this, you have to install it onto the bike, and then you can lock it and keep this like that itself. So this is where the plate is gonna fix. So this is a plate and it's gonna fix somewhat like this over here.